Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to keep your home or property secure 24/7? Then you'll love today's video. We're reviewing the best outdoor surveillance cameras that offer crystal clear footage, motion detection, night vision, and smart home compatibility, all built to withstand the elements. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive in and find the right outdoor camera to protect what matters most. Number 5. Semua Solar Security Camera. Looking for a hassle-free, high-definition security camera? The Semua Solar Security Camera delivers crystal-clear 2K video, full 360 degrees coverage, and smart PIR motion detection, all without the need for wires or constant recharging. Whether day or night, this camera ensures total home protection with ease. 2K HD video and full-color night vision. Unlike traditional cameras with blurry footage, the Semua wireless camera captures 2K full HD video, providing sharp, clear images at all times. At night, the spotlight-enhanced color night vision brings vivid, true-to-life details, ensuring you never miss a thing. Simply activate the spotlight for full-color night vision. Solar-powered and wire-free for easy setup. Say goodbye to messy cables. The built-in rechargeable battery and solar panel keep this camera powered continuously with just sunlight. Number 4. AOSU 3K Solar Floodlight Camera. Looking for unmatched home security with zero blind spots? The AOSU 3K Solar Floodlight Camera delivers crystal clear 5MP UHD footage, 360 degrees auto tracking, and smart AI detection, all while running on solar power. With a motion-activated 400-lumen floodlight and advanced motion tracking, this camera ensures your property stays protected 24/7, rain or shine. 360 degrees pan and tilt with stunning 3K UHD clarity. Say goodbye to limited views. The full 360 degrees panoramic coverage means you can monitor every angle without repositioning the camera. Plus, with 3K, 5MP Ultra HD resolution, every detail, whether it's a face, license plate, or package, remains sharp and clear. Solar-powered convenience, no wires required. Forget complicated installations and battery replacements. The solar-powered design and high-capacity battery keep this camera running day and night, even in cloudy weather. Install once and enjoy non-stop security without the hassle. Full-color night vision with 400-lumen floodlight. Most security cameras rely on black and white night vision, but the built-in floodlight illuminates your surroundings, giving you vibrant, full-color visibility after dark. Whether it's a visitor at the door or an unexpected movement in your driveway, you'll see everything in rich detail. AI motion tracking for people, pets, and vehicles. Number 3. Poyasilon Solar Security Camera. Home security just got smarter with the Poyasilon Solar Security Camera, a completely wireless, AI-powered, full-color night vision camera designed for round-the-clock protection. With 3MP 2K FHD resolution, a 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt range, and solar-powered convenience, this camera ensures no blind spots and no downtime. Solar-powered and auto-activating. Never worry about charging or power failures. Equipped with a high-efficiency solar panel and a large-capacity rechargeable battery, this camera stays powered 100% wire-free. If it ever turns off due to low power, it automatically reactivates once recharged, zero manual intervention needed. Crystal clear 3MP FHD and full-color night vision. See every detail, day or night. With 2048 by 1536 resolution, this camera captures sharper images than standard 2K cameras. At night, its bright spotlight and IR lights enable full-color night vision up to 30 feet, keeping your home protected even in total darkness. 360 degrees surveillance, no blind spots. Why settle for a fixed view? The 355 degrees pan, 90 degrees tilt, and 120 degrees ultra-wide angle ensure complete coverage of your property. Whether monitoring the driveway, front porch, or backyard, you get total visibility without blind spots. Smart AI motion detection and instant alerts. Not every movement is a threat. Number 2. AOSU Solar Security Camera Kit. Home security should be simple, powerful, and worry-free. That's exactly what the AOSU Solar Security Camera Kit delivers. With 2K QHD clarity, a 166 degrees ultra-wide view, and self-sustaining solar power, this 4-camera system ensures total coverage, day and night, without monthly fees. Crystal clear 2K vision, even in the dark. Say goodbye to grainy security footage. With sharp 2K QHD resolution, the AOSU cameras capture every detail with precision, whether it's a license plate, a visitor's face, or unexpected motion. At night, the full-color night vision with built-in spotlights ensures nothing goes unnoticed. Unmatched coverage with a 166 degrees ultra-wide view. Traditional cameras often leave blind spots, but not the AOSU system. Each camera features a 166 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, ensuring distortion-free, panoramic coverage. Monitor larger areas with fewer cameras, saving time and money. All-at-once monitoring and camera sync. With real-time multi-camera viewing, you can check live feeds from all 4 cameras simultaneously, right from your smartphone. Plus, the camera-to-camera sync feature links related video clips, making event review seamless and efficient. Forever power with self-sustaining solar energy. No more battery worries. Just 2 hours of direct sunlight per day keeps the cameras running 24/7 all year long. The separately installed solar panels allow flexible positioning for maximum sun exposure and hassle-free operation. No monthly fees, total privacy. Number 1. Eufy Security SoloCam S340. Security cameras are no longer just about recording footage, they're about smart, seamless, and stress-free home protection. The Eufy Security SoloCam S340 is a game-changer in the world of wireless outdoor security, offering 360 degrees surveillance, ultra-clear 3K resolution, and a solar-powered design that ensures your home stays monitored without interruption. Unparalleled clarity and smart zoom. With its enhanced dual-camera system, the SoloCam S340 captures every detail, even up to 50 feet away. The 8x zoom feature lets you see exactly who or what is approaching, giving you sharp, detailed footage day or night. Plus, with AI tracking and dual views, the camera intelligently follows movement to ensure nothing goes unnoticed. Effortless, solar-powered protection. Forget the hassle of battery replacements. Thanks to its removable solar panel, this camera stays powered indefinitely, providing a truly set-it-and-forget-it experience.